The duration of an error on Instagram can vary widely depending on the nature of the issue. Minor glitches, like temporary login problems or feed refresh errors, often resolve themselves within a few minutes to a couple of hours. However, more complex issues, such as server outages or widespread bugs, can last much longer, sometimes extending to several days. Instagram typically addresses these problems quickly, especially if they affect a large number of users, as they strive to maintain a seamless experience. Users can often find updates on the Instagram Help Center or their official Twitter account, where they post real-time information regarding ongoing issues. In the meantime, patience is key. Refreshing the app, checking for updates, or even reinstalling can sometimes resolve the error faster. Ultimately, while errors can be frustrating, they are usually temporary, and normal functionality is restored before long. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.